guys, and welcome back. I'm so sorry I have been away. It's just been crazy. I had to go into isolation because my sister had COVID, and then I got my vaccine, and then I couldn't lift my arm for like a week. But other than that, I had no motivation as well. But hopefully now, with all things slowly but surely getting back to normal, I'll be able to film some content. I do have a Shein haul, I just need to film it, but it's having the motivation to film it because it's outfits and getting changed and clips and But I hope you all are doing really well and are staying safe. But today is just going to be a quick video, and we're back with another testing snacks and all things scrummy, and me being a fussy eater trying to get over that issue. One piece of food at a time. So this time we have Italy, what the hell's that? And I'm going to be trying these products, but obviously anything that contains nuts I won't be trying because I don't like nuts. You know. But yeah, so I've got my little leaflet here, and this is what it looks like. I think the packaging's super cute. I just love it. And obviously if you want to try it, it's Snacksurprise, and it's a monthly box. But yeah, and you get so many goodies. So the first thing that I see are these corn chips, in the UK, crisp, and these are tangy and are a treat for all the pizza lovers out there. So, really not so bad. Ooh, the smell. I thought they were going to be like onion rings. I'm kind of disappointed that they're just going to be pizza. But then again, pizza, pasta, Italian. So, makes sense. These are nice. This is what they look like. Take a good look. Literally, they just taste like pizza. Like margarita pizza. With a hint of corn at the end, but we're off to a good start. These are nice. So, I would give these an 8 out of 10. These are nice. And I think other people will like them too. Okay, so the next thing I see, is this Pepsi. Obviously, we have Pepsi. And this is a Pepsi twist with lemon flavour. It was first introduced in the US in 2000. Oh, in the year 2000. If only. Why? Why am I so clumsy? It's literally gone everywhere. I need to get a towel. Like, how I say this every time, like, I don't understand how YouTubers do this on a daily basis, because now it's gone everywhere. But that Pepsi doesn't really taste lemony. It tastes nice. It's Pepsi. I don't really drink fizzy drinks. I prefer a cup of tea. Okay, so swiftly moving on from my embarrassment, what else do we have? So we have we have this brand in the UK, but I've never seen this. What is this? The tastiest and most colourful white chocolate snack filled with sugared almonds. Why is everything nutty? I don't mind almonds because I like Toblerone, but the white chocolate smells nice. They kind of look like Smarties. Nice. The chocolate is literally the white chocolate we have in the UK. So once again, 8 out of 10 for that, and 8 out of 10 for the Pepsi. So that's nice. Refreshing, even though it's not, but still. Okay, so the next thing I see, shall we go for something savoury? Yeah, fine. Okay, I've got these, and I'm guessing these are crackers. Now, what I think they are, crunchy bite-sized pieces of Italian toast that are infused with zesty paprika. Ugh. Okay, disclaimer, I mean no insult to any country that I talk about. I'm a very basic bitch. I don't like stuff. They smell very spicy. I don't like spicy stuff. Apparently, you're meant to enjoy these with wine. They taste like burntness. No, when you've got no. They smell smoked. Like, you know when you get like smoky bacon. Tastes like that. I'm a vegetarian. They taste too much meaty to me. But they are vegetarian. Swiftly moving on, we have these, which once again look spicy. Oh no, I think I read the wrong thing. These have got paprika on. So these are the ones that I was just okay, so I've got it wrong. I have no idea what those things were then. What were they? Hang on, I need to find them in my little booklet. I can't find what they are. Ha! What have I just eaten? Oh, they're ketchup or bacon flavoured. I knew they tasted smoky, like bacon. I was right. I haven't eaten meat for like 10 years, but my mouth still knows what stuff tastes like. Okay. These look like dog treats. So these are these. And that's what they look like. Now these look like dog treats. And then no, they taste weird. They taste like dog treats. Not that I know what dog food tastes like, but they taste. And I'll go for something sweet now. We have these, which are the tastiest and most colourful. Oh no, wrong thing. Why am I reading the wrong thing? Double gummy candy covered in sour sugar. Ooh, I like candy. I want that one. Wait, I want that one. Looks like this. Give me sweet stuff then again. Tastes like a gummy bear. Not like candy. I like them. I'll eat that. I have two. Okay, so why can't I chew them? This video will be too long if I carry on eating like that. Okay, so diving in. I have two things here that are nutty, which are an hazelnut wafer, and this looks like a Bueno that we have in the UK, which both have nuts in, and I won't be eating because I just can't stand nuts. We have this chocolate croissant, which I like croissants. I don't really like chocolate croissants, but it smells divine. Oh, look at that. Looks like dark chocolate though. A buttery and flaky croissant filled with luscious chocolate, flavoured cream. Try with an espresso. Oh, I fancy a latte. Ever going to Italy? Why am I keep saying Italian? That's what people speak. If you're ever going to Italy. This croissant's really nice. I wouldn't starve because I'd eat these. I'll finish that later. That's really nice. My mother would like that as well. I'm so sorry I'm talking with my mouth full. It's so rude. This video's already 11 minutes long. Nobody's going to watch it. If you made it this far, give that video a thumbs up. We have Bingo, which are round crisp biscuits with smooth vanilla centre. They are a great snack for both children and adults. These kind of remind me of Oreos, just These are really nice. You know what? I think this box has been the most successful because it tastes the most like UK food. So it's not really out of my comfort zone. They'd be nice with a cup of tea. Not sponsored by Pepsi, but if Pepsi wants to sponsor me, I'd be grateful. Okay, moving on. We have Galdatine milk flavoured sweets, a unique, unusual taste. They are one of the most loved sweets in Italy. Oh, I'm doing it again, in Italy. My brain. Oh my god, them biscuits taste like something we have over here and I can't put my finger on it, but they're really nice. I've stopped rating everything and I just realised. The croissant, 8 out of 10. Them biscuits, 9 out of 10. And why can't I get into these? Because they have literally... Oh. Suction packed it. Come on. This is where it doesn't help not having nails. Okay, so they come individually wrapped. Oh, they feel quite odd. I thought they were going to be like chewy sweets. They smell, they look like tablets. What are they? That is such a weird combination. It literally tastes like cream. I don't know if wherever you're watching this, you'll have like ice pops, icicles, and you can get milk ones. That's a no from me. That's too weird. if they were soft and like a chewy milk sweet, that would be so much better. But if I wanted to drink milk, have milk, I'd just drink it. Okay, swiftly moving on to the last but not least, we have a mooncake. So this is a chocolate sponge with a creamy chocolate. Oh my god. Oh my god, that smells delightful. I like chocolate. How cute. Look. That is so cute. It's only 113 calories. Aww. I'm disappointed. The outside tastes nice. The inside, for me, there's just too much of it. But it's not bad. I'd give that a 6 out of 10. You know what? I'm very impressed by this month's box. As you've probably seen in my other videos, I'm a very fussy and usually I'll find one thing that is okay. But in this one, I have found quite a few things that I like. So, if you made it this far, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for being patient with me. Even though I've lost like nearly 1,000 subscribers, it's fine. No, thank you. Please like, subscribe and comment, and I will see you very soon. Bye.